In the kitchen today, we have Joy McCabe live for her kitchen making one of her favorite salads.
Hi everyone, we're making one of my favorite summertime sandwiches today. It's my open-faced shrimp salad sandwich. First thing, I've got my shrimp here, and this shrimp has already been cooked. The tails and the shells have all been removed, and you can see I've just cut it into a rough chop. Not too fine, but I do want to be able to recognize that there's shrimp in this salad. Next, we're going to add some chopped celery, and it's just medium diced there, along with some chopped sweet onion. I've got a Vidalia onion, some Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. It really adds great flavor to this shrimp salad. Some mayonnaise. And then we're gonna add some fresh lemon juice. Now, if you've never used one of these juicers, let me show you what to do. We're gonna take the lemon, we cut it in half, we're gonna put it the cut side down. Then we're just gonna squeeze, and you can see a lot of juice comes out. It comes through these perforated holes, yet the seeds don't go through the holes, so they're caught here. So it's a really efficient way to get a lot of juice out of a lemon. We're just stirring this salad together, all the ingredients, till it's all well combined. Now, I usually wait to taste it before I add any salt and pepper. The reason, sometimes the shrimp is already salty, and it's just a good idea to taste it at the end and see what you might need. Now for the fun part. I have a loaf of Italian bread here, and you're gonna want a really nice dense bread, because we're going to actually bake this in the oven, and some of the juices from the shrimp salad will soak into the bread. So you're going to cut a nice thick slice, about an inch, and then we're just going to take some of the shrimp salad, spoon it over the bread, all the juices are fine because, like I said, that's going to soak down into the bread and make it delicious. Then we're going to top it with some slices of Gruyere cheese. These sandwiches are going in a 350-degree preheated oven. After baking in the oven for about 20 minutes, our sandwiches are ready. The cheese is melted and it's just wonderful gooiness. I'm going to scoop it up and serve it on our plate. This sandwich looks so good, and the melted cheese just smells wonderful. For the recipe, go to joymccabe.com, or you can find the recipe on WBIR.com. Thanks, everybody.